I'm a coder, but I also like to write, I make music, I paint, I sculpt, I sometimes make computer games. I don't profess to be an expert at any of these things. In fact, I'm not very good at a lot of them. But I am really driven by them. At the time of recording this, I am 30 years old. I've been doing this stuff for about 15 years now. I've never done anything with any of it. So this is my attempt to finally do something with the things that I've learned. Mistakes I've made, pitfalls to avoid. I want to offer inspiration and advice to any budding artists, or even just anybody who's interested in using different sides of their brain. Because it's surprising how much each medium can affect the other. Maybe you're a musician who's never written fiction before. Going out and branching out into that different medium can really influence your music and vice versa. They say that every YouTube channel should have a focus, and Master of Zilch is going to be about lots of different things, so I guess the focus would be the human brain itself. Art is really important, and I don't think it's given its credit these days. And that's why I'm here. It's going to be a crazy, mishmashed, eclectic, chaotic journey. I don't really know where it's going to go, but feel free to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next chapter.